Yeah. Hello. Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, good evening. I'm doing great and I'm happy in my element. So I have no complaint with that. What about you?
So I welcome to you. My channel you have joined for the first time, and we are also meeting for the first time. So I
Yeah.
welcome you to my channel and thank you so much for joining us today. Okay, so before
Okay.
diving into deep, we have to, introduce ourselves. Okay, so please proceed with your self introduction.
Okay. So shall I first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So my name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, I done graduation in English literature. Apart from I hold two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker, home tutor, and YouTuber by the name of Shine with Vikita, where I upload content related to this language. And I'm blessed with one son. And nowadays I try to improve my level and enhance my skill. So that's pretty much about me.
Thank you, thank you. Great, ma'am. So let me introduce myself. This is Rutia. I'm connecting to you from Chhattisgarh now. But basically, yeah, originally I'm from Orissa and I'm a passionate teacher, an English enthusiast, blessed with two kids. And I have also, opened my own channel for my own growth. And my YouTube channel is so young, I know, from last 15 days, not even 15 days, only 12 days. And I am blessed with two kids. It's a little bit about me. Thank you.
Okay, glad to know about you.
Yeah. Okay. So, ma'am, when you have started your journey, your English
Uh,
journey, please share
okay.
something about your YouTube journey also.
Okay, so overall, I started my journey 9 months ago, and 9 months I completed my 9 months my journey. So from I started from the scratch, and yeah, of course I can understand. When it came to speaking part, I was zero. That time I was not able to speak, but I maintained my consistency with persistently, and I give my best I can say, and I started with the listening and yeah, of course in first months I had no idea where I start, because you also know in YouTube there are plethora of content. So at that time we are dilemma in what content I choose. That time I had dilemma, but after 1 month completed I have idea, and I had a eureka moment. You have to start, so you have to start from this baby step, one by one. What time happens in first I thought I can do that things, I can do that things, and end of the day I feel I run in a hamster wheel and I didn't remember anything. But after that I started with the baby step. I took one things and then I complete, I take another things. In this way I started, and within a 2 or 3 months after I was able to express my thought easily. Then I decide bite the bullet and I started my YouTube channel, and I took up lunch. And then yeah, of course in initial it was hard not to crack to face the camera and eye content, but after that day by day I started my journey, and now I completed my 6 months of my YouTube channel, and now I quite confident, and I'm able to express my thought easily. So that is my journey.
Okay. Wow, vividly you explained really. And you have started your journey from last 9 months and your YouTube journey from last 6 months. And yeah, you spoke well. Thank you so much
Mhm.
for sharing them. Okay.
Okay.
So, do you believe in that listening and by watching videos, we can improve our English language if we want to enhance our communication skill? Do you think like that by listening different kinds of videos in, in mobile phone or so many videos are available, like in Facebook also, in Instagram also. So, do you believe in listening and watching also?
Yeah, of course. In my perspective, I want to say I also started with the listening. But what I want to say, there is a two type of listening: active listening and passive listening. So if you are able to do the active listening, so it is okay, but you are not able to do the active listening. So whenever you do passive listening, so please try to repeat that things, because whenever we do anything and that time we are listening, so we can't give our 100%. Sometimes we are listening somebody, we are not, we are focused in our work, so we have to repeat that session again and again. Whatever, not only session, yeah, any podcast, whatever you have interest, whatever you have listening, please repeat that things again and again. Otherwise you have to be you have to do active listening, sit one place, and you have to start the listening with that with a pen and paper, jotted down some words, some sentence structure, and in this way you can try and you give your 100%, you focus on 100%. Yeah, of course, nowadays I also believe in a listening, because listening is a input. So if you are a content creator, if you have give some new in your viewers, so you have to first, you have some content, you have some knowledge, you have to collect all knowledge, and then you can give. So you are also watch interest to watch your video. Otherwise they, if you are giving us daily same, so they feel bored. So we have to update ourselves every day. From that we have to listening. Otherwise you can also read, you have to that things that it is, yeah, I can say you can improve. Mhm.
Yeah, correct, correct. Because if you want to improve, you need to listen. Because listening is the
Yeah,
first step. Yeah.
yeah,
If I'm listening to someone, it means I am, accumulating something, isn't it? I am
yeah.
listening to you. Means whatever you spoke, I just
Mm-hmm.
listened by heart. And you also explained about the active listening and the passive listening. Yeah, it is also
Mm-hmm.
important because many people are there, many students are also there. They are listening everything, but there is no value. Their mind is elsewhere. Okay. But if I'm listening to you and I am consuming you, and
Mm-hmm.
consuming your whatever you are, saying, your
Mm-hmm.
content, and I'm very
Mm-hmm.
active listener. I'm all ears, so it is beneficial for me and it will
Yeah,
work. So
definitely.
I also believe in, in listening
Mm-hmm.
part. Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have any question, you can proceed with your question.
Yeah. Now you mentioned that you only just started your YouTube channel. So what inspired you to start your YouTube journey?
Yeah. Okay. Actually, I want to achieve something in my life because I have also started from scratch. I have been associated with this language from so many years, but I was not able to speak. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying that I was not able to speak. I was speaking, but
Mm-hmm.
very little. I mean, 4 sentences, 3 sentences only, not more than that. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
all of a sudden, I had gone through a different kinds of motivational videos and English conversation videos. So it inspires me a lot that I can also speak. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So at that time, I listened different kinds of videos, and I jot down also new vocabularies. And I am I'm a bibliophile also. Okay, so I have a
Mm-hmm.
collection of books, so I am reading, and in this way I grow. And I thought, let me speak also. If they people are speaking, why didn't I? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I just engrossed myself in different kinds of English content, and then I able to speak. Okay, then I thought that let me create a YouTube channel because only one-to-one conversation or creating group calls or talking to someone, it is not sufficient. Okay, if you want to
Yeah.
grow in your life, then if I am creating my YouTube channel, then only I will work on myself, then only I'll work.
Yeah,
If I
definitely.
push myself, then only I'll work. Okay, and if I'll work, definitely I'll grow. So this is my
Yeah.
intention to open my YouTube channel, and I am a self motivator. And yeah, my child also, my both kids, okay, they also
Mm-hmm.
inspire me a lot to open a channel. Mama, will help you. Don't take tension for the technical things. You just try to speak, and you can do better. And now I am also delighted that I have opened my channel, and everything goes smoothly. Yeah.
Yeah. So how old are your children?
Yeah, they are in juvenile age actually. Yeah, a little bit. I mean, one is in 12th now, one is in ninth now. Yeah, that's why in the
Oh,
evening
so both
time
have
I'm taking
grown up,
care of.
right?
Yeah, they are grown-ups. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why you get extra time
Mm.
because with toddler it is very difficult to handle all the things.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
yeah.
when their children are small, they're smallies, at that time they need more attention. Yeah, because they are
Yeah.
not able to do anything by their own. That's right. But
Hmm.
after grown-ups, it is okay. They only you have to only speak that you have to do like that. You don't do like that, or sit silently, read something. So this is sufficient. Yeah. Now they people are teaching us. Okay, you have to do like that,
Yeah,
not like that. Yeah, this is the
yeah.
difference actually. Yeah.
Yeah, because what happens, my son only 6 year, so now he only comes from the school. So I just tell you, please, I gave some snacks and tell you, please watch TV. 30 minutes. After that, we will go outside. So now he is watching TV and enjoys that snack.
Okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Please proceed with your question if you have any question.
Yeah, yeah, please. So what have you been biggest challenge? Have you been faced so far? Like, do you have any challenge?
In my journey, English speaking journey,
Yeah, yeah.
biggest challenge means, ma'am, nothing like that, but only time. Only time.
Okay.
How to manage time, it's really a rocket science for me. Because
Yeah.
I'm a working professional, I have to devote 8 to 9 hours time for my profession. I can't deny.
Hmm.
I have to do all the household chores. Okay, there is no other option.
Yeah.
Then I have to take care of my children also in the evening time. Okay. So it is very, tough work. It is really arduous work for me to take out time for my time, for me time.
Mm.
Okay. That's why I'm a
Okay.
early bird actually, sometime early bird and sometime
Mm.
night owl also. Whenever I'm getting time at that time, engross myself in different kinds of English content like reading, writing, listening. Journaling
Mm.
also I am doing, the writing part also I am doing. So in this way,
Mm.
I am managing everything, but it is too difficult. It's not a piece of cake at all. Okay. So
Yeah.
in the evening time, whenever I'm getting time or any holidays are there, at that time, I try to make more and more videos with the YouTubers
Yeah.
or creating group
Mm.
calls, and
Mm.
one-to-one conversation also. So utilizing my time judiciously, and yeah, I am successful because when there is a will, there is a way, and if
Yeah,
you are
definitely.
putting your 100% efforts, then definitely you will be success. There is no,
Yeah.
doubt. So yeah, ma'am, this is why I am running. Yeah.
Yeah, if you are determined toward your goals, so no
Mhm.
one can stop you. Universe also helps you and all the things will fall
Exactly.
into the place. But you have the focus on one things that you can do it.
Exactly. You mentioned a very important point, focus, because
Yeah.
everyone is trying, but focus is different. If you're focusing
Yeah.
that I have to do this work and with full attention, then you can achieve it. Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
yeah, of course, it is not easy and it is a long journey. So we can't miss get over the night. It takes time. We have to take a baby step. We have to patience with them. At least we have to devote it 6 months, 1 year. Then it happens. But
yeah.
we have the patience with. We have to maintain our consistency with
Consistent.
persistently,
Yeah.
and definitely it happens. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Nowadays, some beginners, okay, if you are talking about beginners, they are talking and they think that within few days will be a eloquent speaker. This is not
Yeah.
possible. I talk to
Not
many people,
possible.
but they are beginner and they say that, ma'am, how to grow. Then I told them how much time you are actually devoting. They told me, yeah, we are creating 2 calls, 3 calls, and half an hour. So half an hour is sufficient. Is it sufficient? Do you think like that?
No.
No, then try to do. Indulge yourself more and more time if you want to grow. Okay. And if you need immediate result, then it is not possible. Rome was not built in a single day. It will
Yeah,
take
right.
time, have patience. Okay. And definitely you can do, but it is not possible overnight. Okay. You have to devote your time judiciously and practice also, consistency also, your perseverance. It matters a lot. Okay, so I also
Yeah,
advise
definitely.
them. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so learning this journey, were you join any classes? Yeah, hire any tutor? Yeah, you learn in your way.
No, no. So far, I haven't taken any classes, ma'am. I haven't taken any
Mm.
classes. But reading, I am into reading. I'm to listening. Okay, speaking
Mhm.
and teaching, because I'm in teaching, and teaching is the best part. Okay, if you want to grow, because
Okay.
whenever we are
So,
going to teach someone, we have to prepare
mhm.
for that, and preparing
Yeah,
means we are
definitely.
learning. Okay, so in this way, I am striving for the excellence. And yeah, ma'am. So you have done your MCA degree.
Yeah, I have done.
Okay, so you worked before? You have joined
Yeah,
anywhere?
yeah, of course, I used to job like as a teacher, computer teacher, but after marriage, I left it, and after my son, I left it.
Okay, okay. So you will join. Let him grow, then you'll join again.
Yeah, when I think now I want to improve my skill, and if I am success in this field, so it is okay. Otherwise, I can think about that. Mhm.
Mhm.
Because
So,
what happens, like learning this language and taking classes, running YouTube channel. So it is, if you are success, so it is the best thing to stay at home to take care of your children, family, and simultaneously you also do that things. In professional, you earn some money. So it is a best thing for you. So let's things what happens.
okay.
Okay.
You know, everyone, and nowadays, those who have opened the channel, they have to
Mhm.
work on it. If we people are not able to do, I mean, creating videos and editing, because it's a tough work. It's not an easy work. It is taking too much time. And
Mhm.
even if we are success, ma'am, some people are creating a channel and they are now talk of the town. Like so many YouTubers are
Mhm.
there. And nowadays
Yeah.
they are taking classes also, paid classes they
Yeah,
are taking.
that's the
And
best
they income a
thing. Paid
lot.
class. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, of course, I want to say in our life, always we have two option. So one option is it not work, so we can choose another option. Like, yeah, of course, you are running your YouTube channel, but you have to simultaneously do your paid classes. So it is doesn't work, so you can run that things. So in this way, you have to always choose two option always.
Mm.
Mhm.
Right, right. You are correct. Okay, okay, ma'am. Just I want to
Okay.
question you that what will be your advice for the beginners?
Okay. Okay, I want to say if someone beginner and they want to start their journey. So I also didn't any join any classes, yeah, hire any tutor. I learn in my way. So if they want to learn at in your way and at home, so they can also learn from the, you have to start from the listening. You have some idea of like basic grammar rules, like three tense, simple past and present, and you have some vocabulary, because if you don't know what is called in English in a daily routine words, so how you can speak in English? So you have some knowledge, you have to collect some words in English, and then you have to start with simple words. Yeah, of course, in initial you don't boil the ocean, you only take a baby step. In this way you have to start, but start with you maintain your consistency. At least you give like 30 minutes 1 hours, but maintain your consistency, and you have to patience with yourself, because it wasn't happens in overnight. So you have to devote it at least 6 months 1 year, and then you are able to express your thought easily. And don't compare yourself with others, because you don't know about their journey, how they give their time, how they learn this language. Sometime they burn the midnight oil. So you have to compare, you don't compare yourself with others. You have to update yourself at least 2% before yesterday. So in this way you have to start, I can say.
Yeah, yeah, very nice, ma'am. Yeah, really. You explained well. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. Okay. And ma'am, thank you so much for joining me today, and you have given your time. And it was a
Mhm.
lovely conversation, such an insightful session with you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, bye. Have a
yeah,
great day.
yeah. Bye bye, ma'am.